Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to edit your Spotify profile using DistroKid step by step. First, open your browser and go to the DistroKid website. Log into your account using your email and password. Once you are logged in, look at the top right corner and click on the Features menu. After opening the menu, click on Special Access and then select Spotify for Artists. You can also directly visit the Spotify for Artists page through DistroKid. This option allows you to claim and manage your Spotify artist profile easily. Now follow the instructions shown on your screen to register your Spotify artist page. The process is simple and usually takes less than a minute. Keep in mind that your first DistroKid upload must already be live on Spotify before you can fully claim your profile. Sometimes it may take up to a week for Spotify to recognize your release. Once your Spotify for Artists account is connected, open your artist profile dashboard. Here you can update your artist picture, edit your bio, add social media links, and customize your profile. Simply click on the Edit Profile option, upload your new artist image, and write your updated bio information. After making changes, save everything, and your Spotify artist profile will be updated successfully. This helps make your profile look more professional.